Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cool shake video editing using Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add my videos to my project. You can add many videos here, but I'm just going to add 3 videos since this is just for an example. Okay, and then I'm going to select all my videos and we can go to the transition and search for shake transition. Okay, then there will be a lot of transitions you can use or you can apply to your videos, but I recommend you to use this one, lens zoom transition. Okay, we can add this transition to our project. Okay, now the transition has been added. And wait, let me cut my video. I'm just going to make the duration shorter. Oops, sorry guys. Alright, and then I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cool shake video editing using Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!